So first, if we talk about plane angles, okay, the unit of plane angle, the SI unit is radian. Okay, so certainly it is having a unit, that is radian. Okay, and how is 1 radian defined? If you take a circle, okay, of radius r, okay, if the radius of the circle is r, and on the circumference, if you go a distance of r only, okay, if you go a distance of r only, then in that case the angle it subtends at the center is called 1 radian. Okay, so this is irrespective, the amount of that angle is irrespective of what is the radius of the circle, because if you take a smaller circle also, in that case the radius is going to be this much only. Okay, let's say r prime. So if you go r prime length on the circumference, it is going to be this much only, right? So till it is going to give you that same amount of angle. Okay. Now see, this L is also length, this radius r is also length, right? So this is length upon length. Okay, if I talk about the dimension of the theta, that is length upon radius also is length. So 1, that means dimensionless, right? So plane angles, they are dimensionless, but certainly we have a unit for it, that is the radians. Okay. Similarly, if we talk about solid angles, the unit is steradian. Steradians or sterads in short, right? And this is used to measure solid angle. If you have a solid sphere like this, okay, you have a solid sphere like this, and this is the center. On the surface, if I give you a patch, okay, a patch like when we eat watermelon, we have a patch like this, right? That we cut out from the watermelon. So it's a similar patch, okay. So that angle, the conical like angle at the center of the sphere, this is the solid angle, okay, corresponding to this much area on the surface, right? And if this area is A, radius is R, okay. Now again, if I wish to find out the dimension of this omega, this A, that is area, has dimension of L square, right? And this radius is also length square, right? Again, this is dimensionless. That means steradians also, the solid angles, that is also dimensionless, but certainly we have a unit, sterads or steradians, right? So the correct answer here will be they have units but no dimension. The units are dimensionless, they are just the ratios, okay? They are just ratios with no dimension. Option number 1 goes here as the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you.